This is fresh raw cow milk being poured into the bucket, and we allow it to sit overnight. By the next day, you can already see a thick creamy layer floating on top. Carefully, we scoop this rich layer into another bowl. This layer is called heavy cream, and from it, we are going to extract two amazing products, butter and buttermilk. Now, what about the milk left behind? This leftover milk is called skimmed milk. Most people will throw it away, but are we going to waste it? Absolutely not. We're about to turn it into something amazing. I transfer the skimmed milk into a cooking pot and place it on the heat. Cook on medium heat while stirring from time to time so it doesn't burn beneath. As the cooking continues, more and more water evaporates and the milk slowly begins to thicken. Once it becomes thick enough, turn off the heat and allow it to cool completely. And look at that. After cooling, it becomes even thicker. Next, I transfer it into a sieve to remove excess water. Then spread it evenly on a tray. Once nicely spread out, I take it outside under the sunlight to dry naturally. Depending on how hot and sunny your area is, this can take about 1 to 2 days. Once fully dried and brittle, I transfer the dried pieces into my blender. Then I add half a cup of sugar. This part is completely optional. Cover the blender and blend on high speed until smooth and powdering for the best results. Once smooth, pour it into a bowl and repeat the same process with the rest. And just look at how fine and smooth this homemade milk powder turns out. Finally, transfer it into an airtight container and it is ready for storage and use. Who would have thought that leftover skimmed milk would be transformed into homemade powdered milk? Nothing wasted, everything utilized. Stay tuned because we still have more daring processing experiments and cocoa processing episodes coming your way. And trust me, you don't want to miss them. Thanks for watching. God bless.